Okay, we're going to make an Outback style fried mushroom. And so what we have here is half a cup of white whole wheat flour. Then we have half a teaspoon of each mustard, dried mustard, not regular mustard.
Is it Dijon mustard?
No, it is dry mustard powder.
That's impeachable offense.
And then half a teaspoon of red peppers, black pepper, salt, and paprika. And then we have our mushrooms, and they are sitting in buttermilk. I like to let them sit in butter. These are clean mushrooms, by the way.
They don't look clean.
I like to let them sit in buttermilk for a little bit because they absorb any medium that they're in. And so that they'll absorb a little bit of this buttermilk into them. So now what we're going to do, because I don't want to get my hands all dirty.
Oh, wow.
I'm going to put on some glovies.
Glovies?
Glovies.
Like glove.
I have my fryer heated up. The oil is heated. It's brand new pretty oil, and it's heated to 375.
Well, we better be careful. America's going to come after us.
Then I'm going to take my flour, put it in a bag. Then I'm going to take my spices that I told you, put it in a bag. Shake that up.
Can you shake it and bake
Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it.
No copyright. Don't be doing that.
Okay, then I'm going to take a mushroom out of the milk.
Mushrooms.
And I'm just making a few because these are big. Ideally, I think you'd make a little bit smaller ones. Then what you want to do...
I.e. you would use smaller mushrooms.
Yes. And then what you want to do is take them out of the bag, put them into your fryer.
I don't want the camera close to this.
That's probably a good plan. And then I'm going to do that a couple more times.
What type of fryer do we have anyway? And what type of oil did we use?
This is a DeLonghi fryer.
A DeLonghi?
Looks like it. Well, that's what it says on it. It's just a regular deep fat fryer. And I used probably one of the unhealthiest oils, a vegetable oil.
I don't know how does it work.
Actually, worse would probably be canola, but...
Yeah. You always just use peanut oil.
You can. And one more, and then we're going to fry them.
We're not going to show you the frying process because that involves buying a new camera.
So here we go. It's going to fry. Fry, sucker, fry!
You know, it's really not making any noise.
No, it shouldn't. There's kind of, well, now it is.
Now it is. I had to say something.
So, that means the moisture is kicking out of them. And we will get back to you when they're done and show you the finished product. And here's the finished product, all set out on a plate with some ranch dressing for a dipping sauce. And you could serve this for a quick little appetizer. So we'll see you next time, and the next thing I'm going to make is a nice stuffed baked mushroom.
Probably not going to be the next video.
So stay tuned for that.
Alright, bye!
Bye!